Wanted to make my own knife. Hey, how's it going? So I just got home from the gym and I decided to do a quick unboxing. We're out in my shed. It's pretty messy, so but I've always wanted to make my own knife, and I went out and I found a cheap forge on Amazon. So we're gonna unbox that today, hook it up, see if it works. And then the next video I should have, hopefully we'll be making a knife. So that's what it's supposed to look like. Let's get it put together and find out what it really does look like. Let's get that. Hose. Tape. Heat guard. Coating. And a wrench, 12 to 13 millimeter. Just brought a knife. Okay, so this is the brick that goes inside. Yeah, I'm all wrapped up. Okay, that's the insulation fabric type thing. Regulator knob. There you go. There's a little forge. Yeah, said it's long enough for a knife, so we'll see. We're gonna slowly turn it on and see what happens, I guess. Ooh. So there is the flame, and hopefully the next video. So my camera battery died at the end of that video, but as you've seen, it is flamed up, ready to go. Hopefully the next video I'll be trying to make a knife. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please.